Looking for proof is breaking your manifestation. You have probably heard this a million times by now. I've even made a video explaining the mechanics behind why this happens. As I always say, your single job is to prioritize your 4D over the 3D. Your only goal is to possess the desire internally in the 4D. The 3D can take its own time to show it to you. The whole idea is that you replicate the experience of having it so perfectly inside your mind that you literally stop caring whether it actually appears in the physical world or not. Meanwhile, the 3D, being a mirror, can't help but reflect your 4D sooner or later. And honestly, it really doesn't take that long either. But there is a fascinating concept in quantum physics that I wanted to share with you today. Now, let me clear something up first. I keep science and magic completely separate. I believe both exist and both have their own distinct purposes. They are different tools or weapons. Science is like a sharp sword. It's incredibly precise, but you have to get up close and wait for an opening or manually create one. Magic, on the other hand, is like a gun with a very powerful recoil. You really need to understand how it works. You need training, you have to aim properly, and you have to position your body right. You can hit things from very far away, but the further your target is, the harder it gets to hit. Personally, I think science may never truly understand the law of assumption, or at least not for a very long time. I love and respect both science and spirituality, but they don't always speak the same language. Having said that, I do notice some interesting overlaps where the two worlds happen to meet. One specific thing I found is a phenomena in quantum physics called the observer effect. Now, I'm not going to pretend to be a physicist, and I don't know the deep microscopic math behind it, but I know enough to understand the core rule. Quantum particles behave completely differently the exact moment they are being observed. When a scientist sets up a detector to measure them, the particles instantly change their behavior. And that made me think this is exactly what happens with the physical materialization of your desire. The more you desperately look for your manifestation in the real world, the more it gets delayed. Every time you check your phone to see if they unblocked you or check your bank account to see if the money arrived, you are acting like a clumsy observer. You are tracking the absence of your desire, which forces the quantum mirror to keep reflecting that exact lack back to you. But the more you just let your desire simmer in the background of your mind, the more you hold it casually in the 4D without constantly demanding proof, the cleaner it comes out in the 3D. I just wanted to share this simple, fun thought I had. It's a perfect reminder to drop the heavy analytical tracking. Stop observing the mirrors. Trust the mechanics of your inner world and let the broadcast change naturally.